How to promote affiliate links on Medium. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can promote different affiliate links on medium.com. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing is, where do you find these different affiliate links and what are the highest paying affiliate links that you can sign up for? Well, first off, you have SendInGrid, which allows you to become a partner, and their affiliate marketing program is very high paying and you will get a large commission. Then there are also platforms where it is a affiliate marketing website. So agencies like shareasale.com are a affiliate marketing website where you're going to be able to find a network of brands to choose from, and you can choose a singular brand. This allows you a lot more control over the type of product that you are going to be promoting. And then you have partners like eBay or Amazon where you might get any random affiliate link for any specific product that you might have to promote. So depending on what kind of affiliate marketing program you are going to sign up for, you're going to start promoting it. Now, the first thing with promoting affiliate links is you don't need to be very direct. You need to be a bit on the side. You want to promote them in a way that is not too in the face. So that is why I would recommend that you start promoting your affiliate links on Medium. So the Medium platform is a platform where you can read, write, and connect, and it's free to use. It's easy to sign up. First off, you just click on Get Started over here at the top right. Then you can sign up with your Google account, your Facebook account, or sign up with your email. Now, I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in over here. Now, once you have created your account or logged into your account, this is going to be your basic dashboard. Over here, you have a recommended for you page and where you can see different articles. And on the right, you have a basic recommendation box and different sharing platforms. Now, what you're going to do to start actually promoting your affiliate links is you're just going to click on your profile over here and you're going to click on Write a Story. And after you click on that, you're going to start writing. Now, let's take an example from Amazon. So let's just say I signed up for the Amazon Partners Program. Let's say I have to promote some clothing or some item. Let's pick an item to start promoting. It's going to look for a simple little item. So you can see over here, this is a leather bag. So what I'm going to do is, first off, I'm just going to copy the title of this bag. And this is just something I like to do to simplify my work, is first off, I like to copy the title and then I like to remove any of the excess information. So maybe this title is not that suited, but the main information that they are trying to convey is that this can serve as a travel bag, duffel bag, gym sports bag, any of that. So I'm going to remove the brand name and I'm just going to go one bag to do it all. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this. And I'm going to remove all the capitalization from the actual title. And I'm going to remove the size. Now, once you have customized your little title, you're going to add a few commas here and there. Obviously, you can change this. If you don't want a long title like this, you can just make it one bag to do it all. The perfect all-in-one for the cheapest price. Like so, you can make a title like this as well, and then you're going to go on to your actual article. So after that, you're just going to click on add your story, and you can even add images. You can add a image from Unsplash, you can add videos, you can add a embedded link, and you can even add a new part. So first off is, if you're going to add an introduction to your product, so this is going to be this product, whatever you are marketing, so whatever kind of affiliate you have. This bag does it all. Yes, it's real. The introduction is a bit longer, and after my introduction, I like to add a new part, and then I like to separate the actual body of my affiliate link. So what I like to do is just say body text over here. But this is going to be a detailed description of how the bag or whatever the item or service is actually works. This is where I actually like to utilize the title of these Amazon products. If I'm doing Amazon affiliate marketing, is I like to add these titles over here in their body text. So it's a bit descriptive and people know what they're signing up for. After that, you're going to add a buy now here. And from the here, what you're going to do is you're going to select this and you're going to make it bold, and you can choose to make it italic as well. And then you're going to click on this, and this is the essential part. So you're going to go onto Amazon, or you're actually going to go on to whatever your affiliate link is. You're going to copy your affiliate link and you're just going to click on your text over here. You're going to click on these two chains. And then you're going to add the link over here, and this is called a hyperlink. So whenever someone clicks on this here word, they're going to be led to your link. So you can add this at the bottom, but you can even add it at the top. And the way you can do that is when you write this on your first line, you can add a hyperlink to your product directly on the first line as well. And usually I would suggest that you do make it bold and italic when you're adding hyperlinks, so people actually know that this is going to be a hyperlink and this will open up a new tab. And this is how you make a very basic looking article on Medium to promote your affiliate marketing products. Now, there is a lot of other things you can do. So first off, you can add an image as well. I would suggest that you actually do add images to make your article more interesting. So you can just download your images directly off of Amazon if you're doing Amazon marketing, or you can just find any image from your gallery you can upload any image to your gallery and then upload it from here. I'm just going to open up this image and save it and upload it onto my Medium article. Now I'm just going to upload it onto Medium. And you can add this to the bottom of your body text, so you want to make sure that you don't add it directly on the top. Make sure that people stay engaged in your article like this, and then obviously you can add a different caption or move it to the side over here, and you can make sure to add text below it if you want it to be centered, if you want it to be on the side like this. And once you have added your images as well, you can choose to add videos, but that sometimes is a bit too much for Medium articles. But once you have added images, you're just going to click on publish over here, and you can change the preview image as well, but we only have one image in this article, so we're just going to click on publish, and then you're going to add your tags. And make sure you are adding tags on your article, as tags are some of the most essential things on Medium. If you don't add tags, it's going to be very difficult for your Medium article to be out there. So you can see over here, this is our basic little article. We're going to go back to our story, and you can see we have our article over here. If I click over here, it's going to lead me to the link to my actual Amazon bag. And if this is the link as well, you're going to be led to the bag as well. So this is how easy it is to promote affiliate links on medium.com. And you can do this with any item. So if I was doing this with SendGrid, which is a service, not a product, I would market it as like, SendGrid is the best place for you to find email marketing. Or I would do it like that: the email marketing and email API simplified in one platform. And then I would post an article about SendGrid and how it's the best platform for email marketing and email API. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.